Hello everyone, I'm Deepak Chala from the HiDevs community. In this video, we will discussing how you can do the real world project with our community. So before going forward, I will give you the brief about our community. So we are the world's first open community who are helping you to get a job into the directly into the second round of interview. You don't have to worry about the screening. You don't have to worry about the first round of screening, first round of interview. No, everything will be done in the community by our expert, by our team, by our AI platform system. Everything will be done inside the community only, and the companies will be hire you directly for the second round interview, or sometime it will be hire you directly to the HR round interview. So this is the one thing. The second thing, everything is free of cost. So now keep in mind, like this, like that not mean that we are just compromising with the quality. So this is all about. For the more detail about our platform, our services, the video of that link has been given into the description. Go and check it out. Now let's jump to the how you can do the real world project and impress your interviewer, your hiring manager, your technical manager, and yourself. How you can do the good real world projects. So just go on the website. Again, the website link is available in the description. Just click on the real world projects. Then it's very easy. Register the form. Just click on the apply now. Select your project, work on that project. Our team will be get back to you and talk to you, discuss you what project that you are looking, what is your job profile, what is your position, what the current status, everything will be there. Then you the work the project has been assigned to you, and our mentors are there that will help you to how to do a good project, and you can just go and live your project. Okay, now how it will improve your profile. So you know very well, if you do a good project, then it will give you the industry level skills, demonstrate the expertization, stand out from the all the crowd, and best practical knowledge. And one of the greatest thing that we are doing and we are offering to the student and the candidates, which is we are not giving you the projects from the Google, GitHub, Kaggle. No, all the project that you will be do, that is from coming directly from the industries, coming directly from the our expert experience. So that is one of the greatest thing that you will get from our community. The one of like few of the top projects that we have into the different field, that I will give you the glimpse about that, which is like in the data science, which is churn prediction, image classification, healthcare patient, predictive maintenance for the manufacturing, fraud detection. Okay, now let's go into the data analytics. So we have the urban mobility optimization, climate change analysis, crime hotspot identification. So this is for the data analytics. For full stack, we have the charity donation portal, event tracking booking system, music streaming service. So this is the all projects that we have. So you want to start your project now, just click on the start now. So you can see this is a form which is loading. So we have the high dev selection process. Give your email, full name, contact number, WhatsApp number if you are comfortable, what service you are looking for. Just click on this. Apart from that, you can choose anyone else also if you are looking what is your current status, like if you are pursuing a degree, if you are looking for a job, whatever your current status, you can just go and click over it. If you want a upskill program, then you can put, otherwise you can just give the NA as well. And for the what is the upskill program, then again the detailed video has been given in the in the video description, that you can take from there. And why you want to join this program. Okay, so if you give the more information, the more happily we can help you, and more deeply that we can help you. Okay, and fill the LinkedIn profile, resume, from where you heard about this platform, everything you can heard, everything you can just fill it here. Once you will done, our team will get back to you over the email, over the WhatsApp. We have the WhatsApp dedicated community group. Just go and click on here. You can just go and LinkedIn page as well, so you can get the notifications about the latest update from the community. So this is all about the real world projects that we are offering. Hope it will help you. Again, I am saying you guys, this is totally free of cost. If you want to know why it is free of cost, what's the reason behind it, you just go on the website, check it out. Still you are not convinced, then you can just go and bottom, and you can read the testimonials of the people. Again, you are not satisfied, then you can go on the resume building section. There is a book a call section is there, so you can call, book with our team, with me, and we will give you the actual thing why we are doing all these things. Hope it will help you in your job, in your dream job. Whatever we can help you, we are happy to help you guys. So bye, take care guys.